Hi there, I'm Shauna, passionate about pages and really loving making some quite clean and classic layouts that are really quick to put together. I have 4 layouts in my latest workshop and each one of them uses the Country Lace paper pack. And then I bought in the 2023-25 in-season cardstock colours because they played really nicely with it. So I'm going to teach in the class ways to create the basic designs, bring in some embossed elements, and then dip into your stash of stamps and embellishments and thin cuts to add some extra embellishing to the layouts, okay? I'm also teaching you how to use the gorgeous little mini alphabet thin cuts. So that's the first layout. This next one, a classic style, classic look, very easy, and a symmetrical layout, which is always pleasing to the eye. This next one uses a bit more colour in here. So this one's great. I'm doing Nagilly Caves, which is a cave near Busselton in WA, and the photos are all very limestone colours. And so I wanted to have a bit more of pop of colour in my backgrounds here. So that one comes in really well. One of the things I teach in my video classes is options for your photo placement as well. So if you're looking at these and saying, oh, well, my photos wouldn't work with those arrangements, I teach you other ways to create the pages. So this is an example here where these ones are vertical, but by simply rotating the sketch, you could have horizontal pages there, or you could have one of each. And we go through all of that in the workshop. The other thing that I'm talking about in this particular workshop is how to get these different looks with the embossing folders, with some cute and clever inking techniques that we've got, and creating the circles with the Spotlight on Nature circle dies. So this is the alphabet set. It cuts all of those letters from one little scrap of paper. This is the gorgeous embossing folder. And it's like that broderie anglaise eyelet embroidery look on that one. So this has got, it's a 3D embossing folder, so some of the elements are raised higher than others. So the little petals are higher than the eyelets on this one here. And for those of you who aren't sure of what paper pack I'm talking about, it's here in the annual catalogue, and it's this one down here. It actually has 12 sheets of paper in it. We've used the top 6 sheets to cut for the various pieces, decorative pieces, and we've used the bottom 6 sheets as page bases because each one of them had a very neutral background. So if this appeals to you, it's available as an online workshop. That means that you simply sign up for it. As soon as you've signed up to take the class, it's delivered, a link is delivered to your email inbox with instructions for how to access the lessons, and then you work through it from the comfort of your own home at your own pace. So I hope that you will join me with that one, and the best bit, you won't have any patterned paper left that you have to store. It will all be used up. Bye for now.